Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I want to show you how to wash your clothes properly to store it properly. So let's go. First, rinse your clothes in the water. Then, in the separate basin, submerge the cloth in the basin with mixture of water and powder detergent and gently scrub your clothes. Focus on stain areas, scrubbing gently with your hands. Next is rinsing. Empty the soapy water from the basin. Refill the basin with clean water. And now, rinse your clothes by swishing it in the water. Repeat the process with fresh water until no soap residue remains. Next is drying. Gently squeeze out excess water from the clothes without wringing. Hang your clothes on a drying line in a well-ventilated area.
One eternity later.
Next is after drying. Ensure clothes are completely dry before proceeding to the next steps. Next steps is ironing. Set the iron to the appropriate temperature for the fabric type. Lay the clothing flat on an ironing board. Iron each section smoothly. Next is folding. Lay the clothing flat on a clean surface. Fold the shirts by aligning the sleeves, then fold into thirds. Next is storing. Place the folded clothes in the designated drawers or shelves.